Hi everyone! Today we're going to speak about the construction advantages of our cake box solution. And I'm going to show you one very bright example that happened to us today. We got a cake from a local pastry and it was delivered to us in a very low quality box with a thin cardboard, and the cake got distorted. So what we offer you is to never buy cake boxes that are going to cause the distortion of the cakes. Come have a look with me. I'm having a cake here, which I'm going to put inside our cake box, and I'm going to close it the way that it's not get distorted and it keeps firmly. So we put the cake down inside the box, and we make sure that the sides of the box may remain clean. And we're going to close the box together. So I'm closing the back wall. Now I'm going to mount the side walls. I'm going to stick the handle together. And here comes one very important point. So I'm using the special construction fixator here to secure the box from opening. It's very important for you to understand that, because once you get our products and place your cake inside the box, we guarantee that the box will not open, that the cake will not fall out of the box, and you will have a secure delivery of the confectionery products. So I'm going to close the box from the front side. Please pay attention that the front door of the box is designed with a transparent window so that you can see the cake inside. And actually, this small detail makes your cake delivery very useful and very beautiful, because we know that the taste does matter, but what matters also is the first impression. And with this cake box, you're going to make your impression the best. So let's close it up. I'm closing this door, and again, I'm using the second fixing point here to make the box more secure and to make the delivery safer. So as you can see, I have lifted the box up, and with the help of these constructional fixators, the one in the middle on the handle and the two side fixators, we can guarantee that your cake will be delivered to the customer safely. So please have a look at this box. Isn't it beautiful? We're sure that you're going to love this product. And I can also guarantee that once you have orders for the bigger cakes or for the more wider cakes, you can find the sizes of the boxes on our website. So no matter how big your cake is or how tall it is, you can always adjust the cake to the cake box packaging and make your delivery secure and safety. Stay with us.